Right, it's Aidan here at Blackpool SEAT. Today I'm going to show you around the SEAT Ibiza that we have in stock today. So I'm walking around the car, I'll show you each and every alloy to give you an idea of their condition. As I'm walking around to the rear, I'll quickly show you the boot. So plenty of room in the boot, got your privacy shelf for extra luggage privacy. Your seats also do split 60-40, giving you plenty of extra room in the rear. Walking around to the driver's side, show you the third alloy. Stepping inside. So this car is a 1 litre manual. It does come with 5 gears and a reverse gear. You've got your auto stop start and your child lock here. You've got your power outlets. You've got your AC. And then you've got your touchscreen. I'll quickly talk you through the touchscreen now. So you've got your radio stations, FM and AM. You've got all the media sources, including Bluetooth hands-free. There's your Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got voice control with this one. Just pop the navigation card in that came with the car, so you've got sat nav. You've also got full link. And then you've got your driving data as well. Just press that button on the bottom right to bring up the whole menu. Moving on to the steering wheel. So I have your media and your voice control buttons here, including your volume. On this side, you have your speedometer controls, where you can bring up your driving data, vehicle status, telephone, audio, and navigation. You've got your lights and your indicators on your left hand side, and you've got your wipers on your right hand side. You've also got your light controls down here. And while we're on the speedo, I'll quickly show you, this car does have 24,253 miles on the clock. Stepping out the car now, show you the last alloy. The alloys are in very good condition in this car. And you do have daytime running lights as well. Thank you for your time in watching this video. If you have any more information, if you want any more information about this car, don't hesitate to contact our sales team, or they'll provide you with a more detailed and personalised video. We hope to hear from you soon.